Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Vin and I document my journey building a business for the very first time. But today we are not building the business, we are on our honeymoon here in Paros. It's the second leg of our honeymoon. We just got back from Milos. We just got in today from the ferry and now we're just catching some sunset and grabbing some dinner. Peace. All right, welcome to day number 2 here in Paros. We are staying at this beautiful resort called Parillo. It's honestly one of the nicer resorts that I've stayed in. We have our own pool. We have a beautiful king-size bed that was so comfortable to sleep in. And the best part is I used my credit card points to book this. I think it was like over $5,500. We paid only $200 for the 4 nights. I literally have not used my credit card points at all since opening my credit card a few years back. So I was saving them all up for this moment here. But today we have a busy day today. We're gonna go out for a run, do a quick little workout, grab some breakfast. And then we're heading out to a beach club today called Crios. We rented some sunbeds, so we're gonna relax, maybe order some spritz, some food, some lunch. And then we have a late dinner reservation later today. So it's gonna be a long day, but let's get after it. Got a little friend. I don't know if that's a sheep or a goat, I don't know, but I see him every morning, or her. And there's another one all over here, a black one. I just wrapped up a 3-mile run along this beautiful Greek countryside here in Paros. This is just, it was so nice. There was no one out. The roads were all paved. Everything was kind of flat and it's beautiful. I did about 8-minute pace. Now I'm about to go jump in the pool, cool off a little bit, grab some breakfast. We're actually headed to a beach club. I'm really excited just to relax and lay out by the pool. All right, so back in Milos, we rented a car, and it was convenient, but it was kind of hectic driving around. So this time around, we rented an ATV, which I think will be a lot easier to get around, parking situation. Plus, it's pretty fucking fun. We just got back from the Crios Beach Club, which is really nice. We actually wound up renting an ATV, and it's really nice about this hotel is they pretty much can book anything for you. So they booked us the ATV. They even booked us a car service to drive us to and from dinner tonight at our dinner reservations in Naousa. Honestly, they pretty much do anything, which is really nice. They have like dry cleaning services, all this stuff. So it's, you know, after being traveling for the past 2 weeks, kind of nice to be pampered a little bit. But we're just hanging out right now outside the pool area before our dinner reservations later tonight at around at 9 o'clock. And I think it's like a party dinner type of thing. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm looking forward to it. Right? All right, welcome to day number 3 here in Paros. We are taking a pretty slow day. It's like 11:36. We went out to dinner yesterday at Axinos down in Paros. It's like a party dinner spot. And it was fun for like the first 10-15 minutes when everyone was up and dancing. But then shortly after, everyone just sat down. They started playing bat mitzvah music, Don't Stop Believing, YMCA. The vibes were killed. And the food was not good. I think it was like probably our worst meal all trip. But that being said, it was still cool. Good vibes down in Paros. What time did we go to sleep? 1?
Close to 2.
Close to 2. We got back at like 12 and then we just like stayed up, I think, for a while, right? I think we're just gonna take the ATV to a local beach nearby. Kalimprithis? I don't know. Yeah, heading to a local beach, gonna take a chill today, and then we have dinner reservations tonight at 8:30 at Siparos, which apparently is supposed to be really good. It's good food, so let's get it. One thing about here, a lot of critters moving around. Bugs flying on me. I think one just went in my mouth before. But hey, it's the price you pay for this. No matter where you are in Greece, you could be in the hills of Paros on an island. They will always have this little church or chapel area so they can pray. They're all over. There's literally one right over here too. It's insane. I respect it. And they're beautiful.
How would you rate it?
I just don't really like these. Alright, we just had a very chill beach day. Now we are getting dressed and heading to dinner. We're going to Siparos, which is right along the water. Your boy got the fit check here. These shirts are from Pool House, New York. I really love this like ringer look. It's kind of like a vintage vibe. And the beautiful Gianna. They keep dropping us off this alcohol, and I think he pronounced it mustaka.
No.
What is it?
Mastika.
Mastika, something like that? I can't understand what he's saying.
And we thought this was uzu at first, and so we ordered uzu last night at the restaurant. Not
horrible, not uzu. Uzu's so
Really
this is like
bad.
sweet. I was literally like in my underwear ironing my clothes, and the guy comes two nights in a row. He came while I was ironing. So here we go. Salute. Hey, that tastes great.
Yeah.
Love it. Cool. All right, let's go. Yeah, there's chairs.
I know.
Kind of, yeah.
I like this bowl.
Nah, he's got the talents, bro. That's crazy. All right, welcome to day number 4. Today we took it a little slow. We headed into the downtown of Naousa. Did some shopping. We both got new shades. Come on, come on. What do you guys think? I got this brand called Chimmy, which I also got another pair in Athens, and then these are
AV sunglasses made in Greece, apparently.
So now we're swagging out, but we have to go because we are running late. We're heading to a cooking class today, which should be pretty fun. And I'm starting to get a little hungry, so let's go. What food are you most excited to make?
Stuffed grape leaves. The dolmades.
I think they're also gonna have zucchini balls, which I would be pumped about, or zucchini fries.
I make myself clear, okay? Now the food must be good and sure, okay? So no stress. Dolma it's stuffed grape leaves with rice and herbs. Safety first.
All right, our final night of our honeymoon. I know. We are headed down to Naousa again for a dinner reservation. Early dinner reservation tonight, keeping it easy. Heading to Borgadera in Italy tomorrow. But we had a pretty chill day today. Went to the beach. Yesterday we had a really good cooking class, and we made some really yummy food. Spanakopita, baklava,
Dolmades.
and I think the instructor liked me extra. So
Yeah, I think she had a little crowd.
anyway, if you're watching, thanks for tuning in, and follow for the next vlog next week. Peace.